Okay, it's just like a quick example of what I'm talking about. This unwrapping objects like this in this way, it's not going to work well with trim sheets and such, because it won't be able to tile, and it also takes up a lot of space on your UV map. So with this tool called TextTools, what you can do is select all these faces, the ones that you want to straighten out. So in my case this, okay, and then in TextTools just come up here and then go to rectify, and if you notice they now flow, because if you look at this, they're flowing downwards like that, which you don't want, especially for something like a roulette table. You want it to go in a very sort of round way. You don't want, no pun intended, but if we straighten this out like so, rectify here, and then I go to this and then I move it down, GY, you now see, I'll turn off snaps, GY, you now see that it goes round really well without any problems. So that's what I suggest that you do. Download TextTools, select all of your curved objects like that, and then select them like that, and then go to rectify, which means that now you can then just move this across, there. You can just move it around and you can just tile it, because it tiles in this direction, in the horizontal direction. So that's really what you need. You need to put all of your PBR textures into one like this, like I've done here, and then just flatten them out like this, and then just move them to the part of the texture that you wish for it to use. In your case it could be wood or mahogany, whatever, and just tile it in that direction. And that's pretty much how you would use PBR textures in conjunction with tiling and such. And I think it would work really well for your particular model. So I hope this has been beneficial for you and that you kind of understand a bit better now. So yeah, this add-on is called TextTools, and I will leave a link to it in the description.